Sir, and today I will introduce the pvs-31 night vision binoculars for you guys. And now today we have the binoculars housing here. Let's see what we have. Firstly, we have the soft bag. A soft bag like this. It's super soft, and the device just going down inside to protection. Okay, and there has a little housing. This housing is going with this battery, so it looks like a brother. Okay, now let's see this bag. How could you use it? You can use it with your shoulder like this. You can handle it. Super convenient. Alright, next one we have this soft helmet. It's going to work with your binoculars. And how could we contact them together? This bracket. And you can make them together and then connection them together, and you can work with the helmet. Okay. The next one, this battery box. We have this one. This is the connection cable, and one side connection on the battery box, another side connection on the device, and you can work in over than 8 hours, because here, let me open it. You can see there are four housing, there are 4 cases inside, so you can put 4 CR1, 2, 3 batteries. So it's super long life to work. Okay. Also, we have two eye lines. This is for the protection your lines, also for the keep the light with your eyes. And this is sanitized napkin. This one is the staple. This one is staple with your tube into this device. Because this one only the housing, so you need to put the tube inside. Once you put your tube inside, and you need using these staple rings to staple them together for stability. Okay. And also, may I have that soft helmet, please? Okay, this one is the helmet, you can see, and this battery box should be working behind here. You can stick on here, on this part.